Hi and welcome. Today we are back on the Hunter Call of the Wild, and today we are going to be hunting geese and pheasants, so essentially birds on this map, which is Germany. So I just bought the goose collar, and now I should be able to call the geese in, hopefully. I already hear some. Yep, there they are. Are they landing or just fleeing? I think they are fleeing. There are goose here? I hear some geese. Did they all flee? What's that? Just a bush. I tried to call them from this spot for like 5 minutes by now, and none came in, so I'm switching spots. They're everywhere. Oh my god, they're everywhere. Is this a Canadian's worst nightmare? Got one. The first kill of the day. What have we got? A female. Silver. A level up, nice. A pheasant? I mean, I'll also take a pheasant. It's not only the geese I'm hunting. So... They are landing. He's a good one. Tell me I got him. Oh brother, come on. What is this? Come on. I will get you. One way or another. Yeah, okay, never mind. We did get him. Nice. So what is he? Just a silver. Shot him in the neck. Nice. Almost a gold. Okay. Okay, we've got 2 geese. So I think I will switch to the pheasant spot. So we are at the pheasant spot now, and I just spent $1,000 just to sleep. Take a 2-hour nap. I mean, inflation, bro. I already see a pheasant, so that's nice. A good sign, you know. Don't fly away just yet. There he is. I'm the worst shooter of all time, I swear. A gold, nice. And this already repays my nap time, so I'm hearing geese over here. I think. Never mind. There's a pheasant somewhere here. A male too, so a lot of pheasants. Wow. They all scattered somewhere. Did I hit that first one? Yeah, I don't think I'm getting this last pheasant. So, like if you want, sub if you want, and see ya.